Welcome to this demonstration of the quick release vehicle mounted safety flag provided by Competitive Procurement. The flag sits on a zinc coated spring coil base, has a reflective safety flag, a fibreglass pole and a quick release zinc plated part at the bottom. Simple to install. If you want to put the flag onto your mount, simply put the flag on top, push down and give the quick release mechanism a quarter turn. It now can't be released. To re-release, quarter turn, pick up, take off. Perfect for those not requiring a permanently mounted vehicle safety flag. This vehicle safety flag is 2.1 meters tall. So that's from the base of the coil to the tip of the flag. You can see gives great visibility for all vehicles. The spring coil is exceptionally flexible. It can rotate 90 degrees so that the flag is easily stowable when in use. 2.1 meters tall. Thanks for watching.